In this video, I will show you how to use Google Photos to back up your photos and free up space on your device. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you need to download Google Photos. Once it is downloaded, you are going to open it and sign in, which I have already done. You are then going to tap your profile in the top right corner and select backing up. And you can turn it on automatically or turn it off. It will then start backing up, and once it has completed backing up, you will select your profile again, and then you can free up space on this device. So my phone is currently still backing up. Once it is completed, I will be able to free up space on my phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.